ahead to removing a small makeup I made. Andrew, thank you so much to say put in hello. Andrew, please, I don't understand your language. If you can please write something someone can understand, or you can as well um, giving us some love sign emojis, okay? The languages the language you wrote here, me, I don't understand. Putin, what is Putin? Hello, I don't understand, because I want to be knowing what you write so that I can reply to you. Okay, thank you anyway for your chat. Okay, so let's get started without wasting of our time. I will remove a small makeup I made. Then we begin to do our peel off mask. Thank you guys. Love this wonderful chat. The group is so good today. I'll be seeing your wonderful chat. God bless you. You guys know that today is a new month of November. Some of you don't know that November is my birthday. Because on my Facebook here, I'm not saying Facebook. Sorry for Facebook. On my YouTube here, I don't always celebrate my birthday, but I think this month, this year on, I'm going to celebrate. I have birthday on November, precisely 10th of November. It's my birthday, and not only me having birthday, but November is my wonderful month. I always say I have a wonderful November is my wonderful month. Why? Because it is my birthday. My first son is also have birthday on November. Okay, yeah, you see, I have birthday on 10th, and my first son, my womb opener, have a birthday on 8th of November. So November is my big month, my entire big month in life. November blessed me a lot. I was born there. My first issue is also November. What a wonderful month. He has on 8th, and I have on 10th. I can remember when I give birth to him here in Germany, and the hospital where I give birth to him came and give me birthday gifts in the hospital. I said, oh my God, the first birthday gift I received in Germany where I give to my son. So guys, November is a beautiful month to me and my family. So this year on, we're going to celebrate it in a beautiful way, guys. So time permits me. Thank you. You can also even wish me happy birthday in advance, because the whole month of November is my birthday, not only on 10th. As I'm celebrating, I'm also celebrating my wonderful and amazing son of mine. So guys, I just finished removing the makeup. This is not too much. I did not make much makeup. I will go ahead now to use my mask. It's the metallic peel off mask. The metallic peel mask. We're going to use it now to make on our face. Look at how it is. It is metal. It just sounds like it. Okay guys. So we just have to apply. Oh, it's a little bit cold. Yeah. Mama, we have to dry our face very nice before we apply, so that it will register. It will register. So if you are watching, let me know where you are watching from. Let me know the country you are watching from. And please help me out if you can. Give me a thumbs up.